Hey guys, so we are going to get into this look today. Let me put some more lipstick on. Yes, that is fun. Better. Yeah, I feel like I have an alter ego right now because of this hair. It's really doing something to me. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, now I look like a ghost right now, but that's just because I just put my primer on, and it makes me look really pale. And this hair doesn't help either. But this hair, I made it yesterday. Don't mind that. Just look at the front, okay? And as I'm doing my makeup, you're gonna see the lace a little bit, but that's okay because it's not secure. It's just for show. Relax. I'm gonna be the only one wig snatching, okay? No one else. I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Faux Filter High Coverage Cream Foundation in the color Butter Pecan. Okay, once I apply the foundation to my face, I just go ahead and blend it out with a foundation brush. Once my foundation is blended the way I like, I go ahead and do my eyebrows. And I do have an eyebrow tutorial, and I'll put the link to the video in the description box below. Okay, so once both of my eyebrows were done, I went ahead and primed my eyelid with a white jumbo eye pencil, and this one is by NYX. So once I applied it, I went ahead and blended it out. Using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I went in with yellow on my brow bone and just blended it out. And then I went in with an orange. It's the brightest orange, and I put that right below the yellow, kind of above the crease. And then where my lid and the crease meet, I went in with red, and then I mixed the red with pink, a hot pink, using the same palette, and just blended that out. Once the red and the pink were blended out, I went in with the darkest purple on the same palette and went in deep into my crease and the outer corner of my eye. You guys, and this video was supposed to be like a talk through, but the sound was just horrible. You could barely hear me. No editing could fix it, really. So right now I am doing highlighting and contouring. And to highlight, I used a NYX concealer. I'll write everything in the description box below. And to bake, I'm using my Airspun powder. Don't bake for too long because it just gets really cakey because I have really oily skin. So once I'm done applying the Airspun to my highlighted areas, I go in and set my entire face with this True Match powder. And like I said, I'll just list everything and the colors that I use in the description box below. To contour, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour and highlight kit, and I believe this one is in medium. Once the contouring is done, I go ahead and add my blush. After blush is my favorite part, highlighting, and I'm using the Amrezy highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Using my Jacklyn Hill palette by Morphe, I went in with this aqua blue on the lid. Okay, once I put the blue on the lids, I used my glitter and applied it all over the lid as well. Okay guys, sorry. The reason I look all put together now so rapidly is because my camera died. Silly self forgot to charge it. So yeah, my camera died and I wanted to finish the look before the sun went down completely because I want to take pictures. But where I left off was my eyes were complete, except I did line my eyes with, not on the inside, like on the lower lid, I guess, with a black eyeliner, and then I smudged it out. And then I went in with the same pink that I used and the red, and I went over it. You can see. And then I added lashes and highlight in the corners of my eyes. And I lined my lips with my favorite OAK and my favorite lipstick by L'Oreal. This is by MAC. It's the color OAK. And this is by L'Oreal, and it's called Matte-cademia. Like macadamia, but Matte-cademia. And it's shiny because I did add a little bit of lip gloss. Turn it off already. So yes, I hope you all like it. And I named her. Her name is Nikki. I'm loving it. And I was like, why don't you just dye your hair black? And I was like, no. Because I've been blonde for over 5 years. Could you imagine like going just black? Man, that would take a lot of getting used to.